Hi friends, how are you? Hope you all are doing very good and preparing for your exams. In my last video of bank reconciliation, I explained you what is bank reconciliation and we prepared a bank reconciliation statement starting with balance as per cash book. Today we will see a reconciliation statement starting with the passbook balance, that is credit balance as per the passbook. Okay, so we will do today starting with credit balance as per passbook. This will be our starting point. We will start from here, credit balance as per the passbook, and we will reach on the balance as per cash book. This will be debit balance as per the. Before moving, I would like to request you guys. I need a favor from you. If you, after watching this video, if you find this helpful, please like this and give your comment for further improvement so that I can make more videos and improve on those. I can make videos on different subjects, different topics related to accountancy and commerce, but for this videos I want favor from you. Please give your comment. Okay, now we'll start. Here is a question. On 31st March 2020, 31st March 2020, the trader's passbook showed a credit balance of 1,15,000 rupees. Balance as per the passbook is 1,15,000 rupees. Okay, so we are starting the reconciliation statement. You know how we are preparing. This is the format. There should be two columns for amount, rupees. This is description. Okay, we are starting with the credit balance as per the passbook, which is balance as per passbook. It is credit. If nothing is mentioned, this means it is credit, because passbook balance credit is plus, which is clear. If it is debit, then it will become overdraft. So it is credit. Even if you do not write, not an issue. Okay, so it's showing balance as per the passbook. How much it is? 1,15,000 rupees. The balance we could keep in the outer column, second column. Balance as per the cash book will also come in the second column. What is in the inner column? The first column, the transactions which we will make the adjustment, either add or less, प्लस करेंगे या माइनस करेंगे, जो भी ट्रांजेक्शन को, those transactions will be kept in the inside column, then it will come out. We will see now. Okay, when comparing the same with the cash book, we find that a check of rupees 30,000 which were issued at the close of the year were cashed in April 2020. A check of 30,000 rupees was issued by the cashier, by the company, at the end of the year, at the end of the at the end of 31st, I mean at the end of the March, at the end of the year. In India, the financial year is from April to March, 1st April to 31st March. So it is, we are preparing on 30th March. At the end of the March, one transaction, one check was issued 30,000 rupees, which was cashed, which were brought to the bank by the supplier on 1st of April or first week of April. So on 31st March, it was not cleared. But what happened? What is the impact? I showed you the working. This is my working again. This is very important thing, which is not found in the book. Okay. When we are preparing the statement, which transaction will impact which side, either cash book or passbook side, this we will see from here. We have to understand. Then what to do, what adjustment will be done, this we will see on the working, and accordingly it will come here. Since we are preparing with the passbook will be in this side, left side, and other side will be cash book. This is the example I used to give. Consider, मान लीजिए कि 1 lakh rupees was the balance. 1 lakh rupees was the balance on first of, okay, sorry, we forgot. We have to write here bank reconciliation statement as on 31st March 2020, okay, of ABC company. ABC company. ठीक है. Bank reconciliation statement is prepared as on 31st March of 2020 of ABC company. Fine. On this day, passbook balance is 1,50,000. Fine. This is our working. We consider on first of the month. Just for example, just for understanding, I mean just for working, you consider any amount. You can take it 10,000, you can take it 1 lakh rupees, you can take it 50,000 rupees, or any amount you can consider for your working purpose. On 1st March, we consider 1 lakh rupees, both for matching. Passbook and cash book were matching. ठीक है. अब सी, cashier has issued a check of 30,000 rupees. पहला impact क्या होगा? Where will be the first impact? That will be in our books because check is issued from the company. Check is issued by the company. The first impact is 30,000 rupees deducted. How much is the balance? 70,000. But what is the balance in the passbook? It is 1 lakh rupees. So what to do? We have to always match this side with the other side. Left side, we have to match with the right side. Since it is deducted, we have to also deduct. Okay. Now 70,000. Now it is matching. Always ये मैच करना चाहिए. ये आपका वर्किंग है. ये मैं बताता हूँ बार बार. This is not in any book. ये अगर आपको समझ में आ गया तो रिकॉन्सिलेशन आपका अच्छे से बनेगा. It will be correct. First, here two things are there. What is the first impact? Where is the first impact? Either on the passbook or on the cash book. This is first point. Second point, what we will do in the left side to match with the right side. बस इतना ही समझना आपको. बाकी सब क्लियर हो गया. In this case, when the check was issued for 30,000 rupees, it was deducted from the books of account. What entry we will make? Bank account credit, debit supplier. Okay. Bank is credit. Credit is deducted from bank cash book. 30,000 deducted, so that also we deducted it. So here, add less. So check issued for issued but not cleared before the end of the year or before 31st March. Okay, you can just write it not cleared. Even if you write only this much, अगर आपने इतना भी लिख दिया, check issued but not cleared or not presented to the bank for clearing, इसका मतलब ये कि before that date, when we are talking about any reconciliation is prepared on particular date, मंथ के एंड पे, ईयर के एंड पे, किसी डेट पे बनाते हैं. यहाँ पे 31 मार्च को बना रहे हैं. इसका मतलब ये है कि चेक इशू किया गया था बट 31 मार्च तक उसको सबमिट नहीं किया गया. इसीलिए अब पासबुक के बैलेंस में द बैलेंस ऑन द टॉप साइड we have to adjust into that. We have to adjust it, we have to do plus and minus to match here in the cash book. Okay. Check issued but not printed, 30,000 rupees. We are keeping in the inner column. So 2-3 transactions we will add together. We will put it outside. Okay. Check issued but not cleared. Okay. So this is one part because the impact is clear. Now another point is check and cash worth 30,000 deposited in the bank before 31st March. पूरे महीने के बीच में 30,000 रुपीज का कैश और चेक मिला करके. हाउ मच कैश, हाउ मच चेक, इट्स नॉट सेइंग एट दिस मोमेंट. इस लाइन में कह रहा है कि चेक एंड कैश, चेक और कैश मिला करके टोटल 30,000 रुपीज वॉज डिपोजिटेड इन द बैंक. कैश डिपॉजिट किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली इट इज क्लियर. देयर नो चांस ऑफ एनी कैंसिलेशन और एनीथिंग. आपने डिपॉजिट किया, बैंक में आ गया उसी टाइम पे. बट द पॉइंट इज नाउ इट्स सेइंग चेक वर्थ 7,000 was cleared. No, check worth 7,000 but check worth 7,000 were dishonored on presentation. See, it's a very important point. Check and cash worth rupees 30,000 was deposited in the bank, out of which check of 7,000 is dishonored by the bank. Dishonored का मतलब, dishonored का मतलब चेक बाउंस कर गया. आप ये समझ लें, सिंपल. चेक इज बाउंस्ड, चेक इज नॉट क्लियर्ड by the bank because of any reason. Date was wrong, amount was wrong, there was insufficient balance, or there was some signature mistake or anything which was, I mean, we received from the customer check and we deposited in the bank. The bank में deposit किए, that was not cleared, that was rejected by the bank. Okay, so check of 7,000 is dishonored by the bank. This is the point. You deposited 30,000 in the bank, that was total of cash and check, that's not an issue. If everything is fine, that's not an issue. Problem is only in the 7,000 rupees of check, which is dishonored. Okay. Now we have to consider only 7,000. Remove the 30,000. I mean, total 30,000 minus 7, 23,000 is okay. 23,000 में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. 23,000 क्लियर हो गया. 7,000 का प्रॉब्लम है. 7,000 was dishonored. Okay. अब आपको समझना where is the impact. When we deposited in the bank, क्या एंट्री किया हमने? अपने बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में हमने पहले बढ़ा लिया. डेबिट द बैंक, क्रेडिट द कस्टमर, राइट. हमने बुक्स ऑफ अकाउंट में बढ़ा लिया, यानी कि हमने कैश बुक में उसको पहले बढ़ा लिया था. कैश बुक में बढ़ गया, यानी कि यहाँ पे 7,000 प्लस हो गया. व्हाट इज द बैलेंस नाउ? 77,000. व्हाट इज द बैलेंस इन द पासबुक? ओनली 70,000. हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? ऑलवेज वी हैव टू एडजस्ट इन द लेफ्ट साइड बेस्ड ऑन द राइट साइड. सो हियर आल्सो वी हैव टू ऐड 7,000. तो यहाँ पे मैच कर गया अभी. ओके, तो यहाँ पे ऐड हो जाएगा पासबुक में चेक ऑफ ₹7,000. सॉरी, नो नीड टू राइट ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. तो हम लोग इसमें लिखेंगे कि है क्या, डिस्क्रिप्शन बता देना, थोड़ा सा रेफरेंस दे देना. चेक डिपोजिटेड बट डिसऑनर्ड. हाउ मच? 7,000. क्या किया था? कैश बुक में हमने ऐड कर लिया था. अभी यहाँ पे नीचे कैश बुक आएगा. कैश बुक विल बी ऑन द डाउन साइड राइट ऑफ द स्टेटमेंट. तो नीचे वाले से मैच करने के लिए हमें ऊपर वाले में एडजस्टमेंट करना पड़ता है. एक बैलेंस को लेके चल रहे, पासबुक को लेके चल रहे, कैश बुक पे पहुंचना है. कैश बुक के बैलेंस में हम लोग को जो भी प्लस माइनस करना है, एट द एंड वी विल रीच ऑन द कैश बुक. तो यहाँ पे क्या है, अभी हमने 7,000 का चेक जो डिसऑनर हो गया था, बैंक ने डिडक्ट कर दिया था. डिसऑनर हो जाने के बाद बैंक ने उसको डिपॉजिट अपने अकाउंट में ऐड किया ही नहीं, लेकिन कैश बुक में एडेड है. बिकॉज कैश बुक में यहाँ पे बढ़ा हुआ है, कैश बुक में एडेड है, तो हम लोगों को यहाँ पे कैश बुक में ऐड कर लेना है. फाइन. नाउ कम टू द नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. द बैंक हैड क्रेडिटेड to his account an amount of 1,000 rupees for interest. Okay, bank has credited rupees 1,000 in his account. This means bank has given 1,000 rupees of interest and added in the passbook. Bank तो passbook में add कर देगी ना. Bank has added in the passbook. So where is the first impact? First impact is here on the passbook. बैंक ने क्या किया? 1,000 rupees add कर दिया. What is the balance? 78,000. Right? बट व्हाट इज द बैलेंस हियर इन कैश बुक? कैश बुक में 77 ही है. ये इम्पैक्ट है, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पे कोई साइन नहीं डाला, प्लस होगा कि माइनस होगा ये मैंने नहीं डाला. साइन मैं वहाँ पे डाल रहा हूँ जहाँ पे मुझे एडजस्टमेंट करनी है. 30,000 का एडजस्टमेंट यहाँ पे आ गया, 7,000 का एडजस्टमेंट यहाँ पे आ गया. अभी 1,000 का एडजस्टमेंट नहीं आया, अभी 1,000 इम्पैक्ट है. ये जो राइट साइड में डाल रहा हूँ मैं, ये एडजस्टमेंट इम्पैक्ट है इसका. ठीक है, यहाँ पे सिर्फ बताने के लिए यहाँ पे मैंने डाला, अदरवाइज 2 times विल बी द साइन. तो बैंक ने क्रेडिट कर दिया 1,000 रुपीज. बैंक हैज गिवन क्रेडिट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट 1,000 रुपीज. बैंक हैज बैलेंस हैज इंक्रीज, बट वी हैव टू मैच दिस बैलेंस विद द कैश बुक बैलेंस. तो अभी यहाँ पे माइनस 1,000 रुपीज. नाउ अगेन मैचिंग. so we have to less interest credited by bank. Okay, ठीक है. and then there is bank has charged a commission of 300 rupees and without the information. I mean, we don't know. When we receive the passbook, when we receive the statement from the bank, then only we came to know. जैसे कि 1,000 रुपीज़ बैंक ने क्रेडिट दे दिया, हमें पता नहीं है, हमें मैसेज आया, किसी ने ध्यान नहीं दिया, या मैसेज नहीं आया, छोटे अमाउंट का मैसेज नहीं आता है, तो वो व्हेन वी सी द बैंक स्टेटमेंट देन वी केम टू नो ओके ओके ये तो 1,000 रुपीज़ बैंक ने ऐड किया हुआ था, हमें पता नहीं था. टू मेक द रिकॉन्सिलेशन वी हैव टू एडजस्ट इट. राइट. सेम थिंग नाउ कम्स 300 रुपीज़ as bank charges, bank commission. Bank has deducted bank commission. Bank charges. What is the impact? Where is the first impact? First impact is on the passbook because bank is deducted. How much? 300 rupees. It become 76,700. Right? बैंक ने तो माइनस कर लिया. This is the impact. ये देख लीजिए, इम्पैक्ट है. ये भी इम्पैक्ट है, ठीक है, इसलिए मैंने आपको साइन नहीं डाला। अब यहाँ पे क्या है, दिस इज 76,700, यहाँ पे 77,000 है, तो मैच इट अगेन, वी हैव टू टेक इट प्लस 77,000 मैच कर गया यहाँ से, ओके, तो वी हैव टू ऐड इट, बैंक चार्जेस और कमीशन, चार्ज बाय बैंक, okay, how much it is, 300 rupees, fine, yeah, these were the transactions, خلاص, total 7,000 plus 300, 7,300 is plus, right, and this is minus, this is minus, how much it is, 31,000 is the minus, okay, now see total 122,300, 1,22,300 रुपये, फाइन, minus this 300 to 191,300, fine, this is also balance as per cash book. Now where did we reach, we reached on the cash book as per cash book, okay, hello, understood, we started with the credit balance of the passbook, so everything we have to adjust in the passbook balances, not in the bank statement, not in the passbook, but only in the reconciliation statement. मैंने बताया बैंक स्टेटमेंट को हम लोग टच नहीं कर सकते हैं, बैंक स्टेटमेंट में कोई एंट्री नहीं कर सकते, पासबुक में कोई एंट्री नहीं कर सकते, दिस विल बी डन ओनली बाय द बैंक, एंड बैंक आल्सो कैन नॉट डू ऑन द प्रीवियस डेट। ये हमें बैंक स्टेटमेंट कब मिलता है, मंथ के बाद, यानी फर्स्ट वीक ऑफ अप्रैल में मिला, मार्च में नहीं मिला था, हमें मार्च में मिला होता तो मीन मिलता, बट हमें अप्रैल में मिला तो पूरे मंथ का ट्रांजेक्शन एक साथ मिल गया, वहाँ पे वी कैन सी व्हाट आर द ट्रांजेक्शन व्हिच इज मिसिंग। So when we are starting with the passbook, we have to reach on the cash book, make all the adjustment in the passbook balances, then we will reach on the cash book balance. So in this case, check deposited, कैश बुक में सॉरी चेक इशूड कैश बुक में पहले माइनस हो गया, तो उसको मैच करने के लिए हमें यहाँ भी माइनस करना था, 30,000 वी आल्सो माइनस, 7,000 was deposited, it was added in the cash book, we have to also add it here. Interest which was added by the bank but not in the cash book, तो हमारा we are making with the passbook balances, so we have to add it here, we have to reverse it, this we reverse, 300 rupees bank charges, bank has deducted it, so we have to bring it back, add it back, इसको ऐड कर लेंगे तो उसके बाद हमारा ये रिकॉन्सिलेशन क्लियर हो गया, ठीक है। so this is opposite of the balance of as per the cash book, whatever you keep on the top you have to always adjust in that balance and reach on the bottom, clear, so this is very easy now, I think it's now you can understand the impact and the adjustments, reconciliation कैसे बना रहे हैं, the most important thing is understanding the impact and then making the adjustment, this working is very important, that's it for this balance as per the cash book. Now I'll make one another video for overdraft as per the passbook, so to keep it short, don't want to make it very long videos, so that's good, thank you, and friends please give your comment so that I can improve the further lectures, thank you very much.